Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the engine air filter on this 2025 Chevy Malibu. It's going to apply from 2016 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. Alright, so in order to replace the filter, what you need to do is either have a Phillips head or a flathead. So you have multiple screws. So you have one right here, here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unhook the mass airflow sensor. So make sure that you pop this clip, pinch it down. All right. There are multiple clips that hold the wire harness to the mass airflow sensor. Just make sure that, I'm pretty sure you could be all right with keeping them connected, but let's unscrew the screws. So we'll do this. All right, so we should be able to go ahead and lift it up at this point. And you don't need very much room. So this is the filter. All right. Obviously it's still clean. We're just showing you how to replace it. It's a bit dirty. This is a rental car, by the way. So it's got a dark spot here. This is still clean. We're gonna go ahead and put this back because it's not my car. All right, once you have it positioned in place, we'll just go ahead and do the opposite of what we did and start screwing things down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and keep screwing in all the perimeter bolts or screws. Just flatten, tighten them until they stop. Again, you can use either a flathead or a Phillips head. Some screws are going to be a bit tighter than usual. Some won't. last but not least, this one. Okay, now we'll go ahead and plug in the mass airflow sensor. Click it, and then push the right clip in. Boom, we're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we showed you how to change the engine air filter of this 2025 Malibu. This is gonna apply from 2016 all the way to 2025. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.